After weeks of dry conditions and recent thunderstorms, West Texas lakes received some much-needed rise in water levels. Fox West Texas's Sean Humphrey found out what this means as we move into the dry months ahead.
Well, a little bit of rain goes a long way in West Texas, and recent thunderstorms have risen the lake levels here at Twin Buttes Reservoir a few feet. But will that rise last into the summer months? That's the question.
As long as the sun rises, Mike Hensley is probably fishing somewhere. As a frequent angler on these waters, Hensley's experience lets him know when dry spells might make fishing tough.
I mean, if you want to go fishing, you just got to do what you got to do.
Right now, O.C. Fisher and Twin Buttes Reservoir have increased lake levels. But today, Hensley is on Lake Nasworthy, where still more rain is needed.
With the blessing of the rain and lake levels rising, Twin Buttes ought to start getting better fishing, because 2 weeks ago you couldn't get a bite out there for bass.
In the past week, Twin Buttes has gone up almost 8 feet. San Angelo's O.C. Fisher Lake has seen a 3-foot rise. Texas Parks and Wildlife's Lynn Wright says that'll be a saving grace for both lakes by the time highs hit the hundreds.
When we get into the dog days of summer, when it's hot and windy and dry, we can lose, on our reservoirs, we can lose up to a foot of water a month due to evaporation alone.
That means the rain feeding O.C. Fisher is especially essential. Last year, the lake's levels fell under 1%. The rise buys time.
So that's basically 3 months worth of water for during the summertime.
The water has come up just enough to launch a boat onto Twin Buttes. Hensley thinks the rain will buy some time there, too.
It'll stay good for another 5 or 6 months, but that's just West Texas. It comes and it goes.
Sean Humphrey, Fox West Texas.